Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a three-star hotel. In this video, we cover all of the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews on rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Talk about amenities of this hotel. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Four categories of rooms are available facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you if you have already checked out rooms. Please share